This is installing an oven with Tristan Koba.
Koba now.
Yeah, just Koba.
It's just Koba.
Oh yeah, this would be a good thing. Tristan, you want to talk about this?
Really?
What are you doing, dude? Orifices?
That's what you're changing. Orifices.
Yeah, because, you know, the difference between propane and natural gas, not really sure. I know they burn differently, burn at different temperatures maybe.
I think it takes less propane to flame.
Yeah, it does take,
Smaller orifice, let less pressure out.
yeah.
Or to let less fuel out.
Something intelligent like that. But basically, when your appliances are gas,
They don't. And you have liquid propane.
and you have if you have liquid propane and your appliances come and they're natural gas or set up for natural gas,
It's a slide
you're gonna have a problem. Basically, that's what's gonna happen. When you order your appliances, you gotta make sure you specify, hey, I have propane, or hey, we have natural gas. Most places around here that are in a neighborhood, at least, if you're out in the wilderness by yourself, you might have a propane tank on your property.
Don't disconnect it though.
You'll be good to go. But this arrived as natural gas. Tristan is converting it to propane with the help of Uncle Trevor. We'll check back in a few minutes. Julius Farms, lot 8. The trimmer is just finished this morning, so we're gonna go check out, see how they did, check for anything that we might need to fix before we start paint. This door was already open from being in here earlier. Don't get any ideas. We don't leave doors open. All right, so we got the powder room. Nothing really too crazy going on yet. The kitchen, the trim, most of the tile is done. This house is getting ready for paint right now. The painters will come in next, start getting everything prepped next week. They'll start with making sure all the drywall is prepped and ready to go. There's no extra patches or anything. Get the trim prepped in, caulked, all the nail holes filled. Then they'll spray and primer the entire home. They'll tape off all the cabinetry and things like that. And it'll take them, about a week to paint this entire house from start to finish. Pretty cool, right? These little metal railings. They'll get a wood top. That's what this hole's for. You bolt or screw the piece of wood down on top of them. All right, master bedroom. We've got the master bedroom closet, little makeup area. Get ready in the morning. Looking pretty. And then here is the master shower. Over in lot 7, the customer chose to do, a seat right here rather than the continuous top. It breaks up underneath the window. You have a little seat with a cabinet underneath it. In this home, the customer, opted to do like a continuous cabinet all the way across. Then, the rest of the house, this room's waiting on paint and prep, as well as, once the paint and everything starts going in, the plumbers will come back in, start wrapping up their fixtures, and then, shortly after that, the glass will go in. This home's about a month away from being finished. There's still a lot of work to do, a lot of finished work, which is a little tedious sometimes. But things will, over the next 3-4 weeks, things will wrap up pretty quickly over here. One of the cool things about this model and, lot 7 is every bathroom, I could say it either way. Every bathroom upstairs comes with a bedroom, or every bedroom comes with a bathroom, whichever, floats your boat. Nothing to see here. No, there's actually nothing to see, it's just a mess. Waiting on tile. Couple more bedrooms, bedroom back here, bathroom in here, and we got the laundry room set up down the hall here. So it's a pretty spacious home. It's got nice views. Maybe this bathroom's finished in here. Well, would you look at it? Can't really see it too great, but probably don't want to show this. It's a mess. Tile guy looks like he's in the middle of tiling. Oh my God, it's dark. We're not gonna go down there.
I'm scared of basement.
It's too dark. Probably gonna go check in on Brian and Trevor.
Brian.
Oh yeah, what am I saying? Koba. Tristan. Brian's on here today. That's usually Trevor's sidekick. Watching them work together is it's like watching a married couple that's been married for like 50 years. They love each other, but they also, you know, can't stand each other at the same time. So it's funny to listen to. And Trevor just got himself a hoagie. What's the word, Koba? Yeah, how are we doing? 15 minutes? Who wants to know? It smells so good. We might have to make a run.
There, so where are you at?
There it is.
What screws are you? Let me see.
That one screw, you just slide it out and then it pops this way, right? There's this screw up here. That's what you're saying, right? No? Literally just loosen this and turn it.
So just remove. No, don't. No. I think you just do the back one. So that end's loose and you can pull it out.
Where's it saying there's a back one? Yeah, where there's no screw.
Alright, so just let's just go ahead and do that one then.
Yeah.
See what that does.
Yeah.
Because this is a heating element.
Yeah. It's hard to get in there. Now Gilmore getting a nice picture of your ass.
Maybe we turn it on.
I think it'll be fine.
It doesn't work.
We gotta take it apart now.
First, pull that down. There you go. Back at it.
We know how to take it apart now, so we're good. It's not lining up.
What's not lining up?
There it is. It wasn't lining up
Oh.
before catching something.
All right, we got orifices.
Did you get the new connection for it?
Yeah, I got things. Hopefully
Cool.
they'll work.
Sweet. Alright.
Alright, now can.
Let's turn them all on and test it.
Yeah, you can't smell propane. So if it's leaking, we're rolling up.
I think I can smell.
You're definitely not supposed to.
Does that look right?
No. That's all we got.
That looks right.
It looks right, dude. If it fits, it ships.
Fucking retarded. That sure isn't right.
Ooh.
Well, I'll turn that off.
Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
Alright.
Well, that's not right.
Center one probably
It's wrong.
is wrong. That should be a bigger guy. This guy should be in the center.
No.
Why wouldn't you? You'd have a big one in the center, dude.
It's usually like a long grate.
Gilmore, you're a chef. Give it to me.
It's usually a longer grate right here, so
Yeah, I think
I don't
Trevor.
know.
Do we have a picture? Can you get the manual for the oven?
Yeah, he's right. So this one has a double. So it's got another inlet for that.
Oh shit. Okay.
that
So we're using our
That
eyes.
one's definitely right. Definitely not the baby one. I think I just switched that one.
find the menu.
I can't find the menu.
It's not that low.
Worst one. There you go.
I'm starting to grow irritated. It must be lunchtime.
Medium. This one says on some models. What? It says on some models. Yeah, that has to go there.
It's gotta go there.
So this doesn't even fucking.
Dude, my people are good at puzzles, okay?
Yeah? It's not really looking like it. This will be a loss for the team.
Trevor was like, get the fuck out of here. Well, dude, we're almost in. Whoa.
What is that? It's this
The
top.
center one, dude.
This top is different.
Yeah, there is something different about this.
This one doesn't fit. This one doesn't stay solid.
What would happen if we just didn't have a top on it? Would it just fucking shoot out through here?
It wouldn't light. It won't light.
It won't light.
Can you do that one? Try.
Yeah, try that.
Now it's not lighting.
Because the gas just shoots out straight. It won't light. That one works fine. That's fine.
What the fuck?
Did we switch this one?
No.
Switch it.
Well, turn these off though, so they're just gonna get hot.
I think that was it.
You think what was it?
Put that one back down.
top?
I just switched it.
Oh, I think I just switched it to that one. Yeah. This isn't funny.
All right. Dude, move your arm.
So it's literally just the middle one. What the fuck is happening?
You know what, dude?
So-
it's the appliance shortage.
Alright.
It isn't our fault.
Try the
It's just
middle.
there-
Try the middle again.
Okay.
It's this one.
Okay.
So is this on the wrong?
It could be on the wrong one.
Does this one fit there? Definitely not.
It doesn't because it's. But in all seriousness, though, this disc up here is as big as this disc over here, and these are medium ones in the back.
That doesn't fit that.
Something doesn't seem right. Was this a conversion kit? These pieces?
Yeah.
Then what's going on here?
Nothing changes but the orifice. Why does that sit like that? Like all these lock in. Those lock in. These two don't. That one does. This one nothing. Doesn't lock in. This is. So try this one again.
So they said
That's
it's the
fine.
largest of a medium.
Let's put it back on. I think the little one goes in the center.
You think the little one goes to the center?
It doesn't even reach the
Reaches enough, dude. Don't.
top on that.
One of these has to be different. Has to be wrong.
Is that?
Yeah. So,
There's only so many possibilities.
Doesn't. Nothing.
I think
one
we're
that's
not stupid. I think something's wrong. let's just
Wait.
play with
Yeah.
it.
Pull one of these out.
That one came with that one. This was together. Those four were in that pack.
Okay, here we go, boys. It
Yeah,
just needs
that-
to warm up, dude. It's the center one.
That is
not.
It's just not
warm
right.
enough.
Dude, it's blowing out of the side now. See, now we're good to go, dude.
They just have one massive burner.
It's supposed to do that.
No, it's not.
That's how you make pancakes on the center burner.